Okay everyone, this video is just going to be a quick video about adding video or videos into your content. So if you go into your WordPress admin area and you go to pages, for example, you could do the same thing for posts, the same thing would apply. But if you go to pages, okay, so we've just pulled up a sample page that we have on our website. If you wanted to add video, you would go to one of these blocks here, go up near the top until you see the plus symbol. You click that. Now you're looking for, you go down into here into embeds, right? Because you want to embed a video. That's what it's referred to as. So you click embeds, you click on that. Now it's going to list all the different types of websites and video sites that you can embed content from. So you can take content from there and you can have it show up on your page, on your post, on your website, okay? So any of these are different ones where this embed option works. As you can see, obviously YouTube is the most popular. This isn't in any particular order, but I'm just saying YouTube is obviously one of the most popular video sites. So if you wanted to go to YouTube, then you would click that. Now it's asking for the YouTube URL to the video or for the code, okay? So up here we have YouTube. Let's go to something, let's just search, I don't know, marketing. So you go into here and let's say there was a video. I'm not going to pick anything specific. I'm just going to grab any video here. So 4 principles of marketing strategy. So you could click this.
Where is the best place to get leads online?
Go to, now you could either take this video URL, the URL up here, just click beside it so that it's highlighted. Hit Control C on your keyboard, or you can right click on it and hit copy. But I hit Control C. Now I go back to my website, put the cursor in there, and then hit Control V on a, this is on a Windows computer. On an Apple, on a Mac computer, it'll be different, okay? So anyways, so you hit Control V on a Windows computer, or you could right click in there on your mouse and go paste, okay? So I'm just going to do Control V, pastes that code in, and click embed, and it will place that video in there. Now, you can change the positioning of it, so if you wanted to align it to the left, if you wanted to have it in the center, if you want to have it over on the right, you can see it changes accordingly, right? To go with your, to flow with your content and to suit the style of your website, right? So if I click this, it's going to center it. Go over here, it's going to wrap the content. Any text is going to wrap around it, right? So that's a really cool feature. Before, in the old editor on WordPress, you had to do a little bit different coding to get it to move. I mean, you had the center, you had the right alignment and the left alignment, but it didn't shrink down like this. So that's kind of neat that it does that, and that's basic. That's it. And then you would continue on with your content, with your text, you know, for your web page. Now it's the same thing with any of these other websites, right? So you've got Vimeo, which is another popular website, video website online, and Dailymotion, and any of those other ones that it lists in there. You would take the content, you would take the URL, or there'd be a video embed code. You would take it and you would place it into your web page in that section. So I'm just going to show you a different way to embed the video as well. Okay, we did it with the YouTube URL, but the same would apply for Vimeo URL to the video, or Dailymotion, any of those video websites. You could use the URL to place the video in there. And that's as simple as it is to add a video from any of those websites. Vimeo, Dailymotion, YouTube. Any of those things listed there. You get the URL and you place the URL in the box in order to embed that particular video or that particular content. Okay? So yeah, so that's it for this video. If I find anything else that I think is important to add regarding video, then I will create a video on that for you here as well. But we'll be on to the next video. Thank you.